The air filter is quite easy to get to on the 996 Carrera. From inside the engine compartment, loosen the 7 screws that hold the top of the air cleaner housing to the bottom, blue arrows. Then loosen the clamp that holds the intake boot to the throttle body, green arrow. Unplug the mass airflow sensor, yellow arrow, and the clips mounted to it to the airbox, purple arrows. Unclip the oil filler tube from its home on the left side of the air cleaner housing. With everything disconnected, simply lift up on the housing to expose the air filter. The red arrow points to the bolt that holds the lower section of the airbox to the chassis and does not need to be removed to change the air filter. On the 997s, you will need to remove the complete airbox assembly to replace the air filter. The process is similar with the exception that there is a resonant switch installed in the air cleaner housing on the 3.8-liter engines. In order to remove the air cleaner housing, the cable plug must be disconnected from the electrical switch over valve. This photo shows the airbox housing out of the car. The oil filter tube clip, red arrow, mass flow sensor, yellow arrow, and the throttle body clamp have all been removed or loosened. There are 8 torque screws, blue arrows, 3 shown, that need to be removed to separate the airbox housings. Please note on the 2009 911S, the MAF sensor is attached to the air filter cover. For additional assistance with removing that, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. Shown here is the upper part of the air cleaner housing with the new filter being inserted. Always wipe out the bottom of the air filter box before putting everything back together. While you're replacing the engine air filter, I recommend that you also swap out the cabin air filter, sometimes known as the pollen filter. The cabin filter is located in the front trunk on the right side of the car. Remove the plastic panel just in front of the windshield on the right side, upper left, with a T25 torque driver. Then reach in and pull out the filter. Install a new filter in place, upper right, and replace the plastic panel. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.